there everybody, this is Kelly Ghettofinger with Always Stampin' Videos. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest ever gift card holder. And this really and truly is the easiest gift card holder that I have ever created. I came up with this idea several years ago, and you may have watched the original video that is way back on my account here on YouTube. So you can put in the search Kelly Ghettofinger easiest gift card holder, or easiest ever gift card holder, or maybe Fun Folds gift card holder. I'll try to share that link below in the description for you, but this video hopefully will be much better than that one, because that was when I was first getting started making videos. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how to make this video. I like to keep my videos short and sweet so that your time is valued. Therefore, I will just show you how to make the base of this gift card, including the measurements for the card as well as the mats. So everything else can be added, you know, according to your own creative heart. So let's get started. All right. Now, I'm going to share the pieces of the gift card holder along with the measurements. But first I want to give you this number so that if you are sweet enough to visit my website, which I will share in the description below, and use the hostess code listed here, H9Z2ZWQ, then you're going to receive a very special little gift in the mail. So I'm going to lay these pieces out, and then on each piece I am going to put the number that you will need of each one, as well as I'm going to make sure this is in the video, well. Let's see here. Here we go. Yeah. And then there's 3 pieces there. Okay. So you're going to need, here we go. Ready? 1 piece of cardstock that measures 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. 1 piece of cardstock that measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. You're going to need 2 pieces of designer series paper or decorative paper that measures 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then you're going to need 3 pieces of cardstock that measure 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. All right, you ready? Get that screenshot before I move it all off. Ready? Here we go. All right. Now, when you make this gift card holder, you can get 3 of these gift card holders out of 1 piece of cardstock that measures 8 1/2 by 11. So 3 of these can be made out of 1 sheet of cardstock, normal cardstock. So you're going to take the 2 3/4 by 11. I am so sorry. I told you that wrong. Oh, well, I thought my videos were getting better. This piece is actually here. Let me do it this way. This piece, we're going to just mark this right here, is not 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. It is 2 3/4 by 11 inches. There we go. That's corrected. Sorry. Okay, and so you're going to score this at 3 3/4 and 3 3/4. Now, if you open it all the way up, so I'm going to score, I just move mine up and I take that score line and I put it right there on 3 3/4 again. So that's actually going to end up being 7 1/2. All right. So score it at 3 3/4 and 7 1/2. All right. Now here is the fun part. This just makes all the difference. Keep that keep that cardstock in your paper trimmer. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna shift it so that the longer part of the cardstock is going up and the shorter part of the cardstock is going down, and you're going to trim from corner to corner of this last panel, okay? So you're gonna put that corner there on that score area and this corner here down here on the cardstock in the track of the trimmer and trim that top corner away. You can put that in your scraps or toss it. It's up to you. We're not gonna use it right now. All right, and then this piece right here, this little triangle piece, folds in to create the pocket of your gift card holder. So you're gonna add some adhesive down here on the bottom. Whoops, upside down, Kelly. Did I say that my videos were getting better? You can see for yourself and go visit my YouTube channel and look at the rest of the videos. And I appreciate it. All right, so there's the pocket. Let me just show you really quickly. All right, so I've got my gift card here and that just slips in just like that. Now, if you wanted to, you could even fold your gift card so that it opens up this way and the gift card would go here. So, you know, some gift cards are made so that they're this, you know, horizontal, and some are made vertical. And so there you go. All right, so now we're gonna bring in our pieces. Remember, we have 3 pieces of cardstock, 2 pieces of designer paper, and then 1 piece of a neutral that would our greeting would go on that one. So I'm gonna lay that aside really quickly, and I'm just gonna, for time's sake, I'm only adding a little bit of adhesive because I like to make these videos go super quick, or at least try to. All right. So you see how each one layers there on the front. You're gonna put one of these cardstock pieces on the inside to the left, and that's where our neutral piece is gonna go, so that we have a greeting that we can put there. And then a special greeting, we can write our own little greeting there. And then these last 2 pieces, just let me show you. Bring back your trimmer, and here we go. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this piece of cardstock in your trimmer on the track. You're gonna turn it so that it's, you know, so that it's off-centered. What do you call that? Crooked. And you're gonna trim it so that, I don't know how to explain this, but you want the corner of your cardstock that's closest to you to be the top corner, all right? So you're gonna turn, and that is gonna come down toward you. And then the bottom corner that is closest to you, you're gonna actually push it away from you. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. And you're gonna put that on the track and just slice it. Okay, so you have these 2 pieces. These 2 pieces are gonna go right here on your pocket and just above your pocket. Right? You're gonna do the same thing with your designer series paper. I would highly recommend that you do this with a pattern that is not up or down, okay? So it doesn't matter which way it goes. You can turn it, it can go either way. That's what I recommend. But once you get the hang of it, then you can start using patterns that are up and down or side to side, and then, you know, you'll be able to make them very quickly after you've gotten a little practice. So again, the corner that is further away from you, you want to bring that closer to you. The corner that is closest to you, you want to turn that away from you. So now we're going to go corner to corner in the track of our blade and just give it a trim. So then if you have a pattern that you really enjoy and then it's up and down, it's going to be correct with your pocket. Okay, and even if it's not a pattern that goes up and down, if you trim it the other way, it's not going to match up. So always remember, the corner that's away, bring it to you. The corner that is closest to you, push it away. I hope that makes sense. All right, and then once you get those glued down, it's going to look like this. Ta-da! and you put your gift card in there and you're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a creative day.